So it's May the 1st, and that means it's time for the results of challenge number 3 to measure G with a speed cube. So, in third place we had... Yeah, there's no third place. Okay, in second place we had... Yeah, there's also no second place. And finally, in first place we have Dre cubing. Here's the video. But wait a minute, who is Dre cubing? Yeah, I wonder who is Dre cubing. That looks like me. Like, yeah. I am the owner of Dog. Yeah, I'll tell you now, he's not impersonating me. That has happened before, to be fair, but this one's not. So, if I'm the only entrant to my challenge, then yeah, what happens? I guess I get the gift card. A gift card to my own store? How does that work? Well, I guess gonna have to just use my gift card. What should we get? Yeah, let's get the X-Man Ambition 4x4. Obviously it's just a pre-order, but like, won't be too long. Nobody who's not the seller do that, please. Already? Oh, right. Right, yep, apply gift card. Ah, £10 off. Right, I guess I just need to fill in my details. And then I can order a cube. I guess it doesn't like my postcode. Yep, and I need to put in my email address. Right, continue shipping. Right. Oh, local free local delivery. That's nice. So it'll just be £17 for me to get my own cube. Right. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I don't think I'll put out a challenge for May, considering nobody wanted a free £10 gift card for just dropping a cube out the window. So yeah, I'll leave it for now. If you want challenges to come back, let me know, but you do actually have to do them, otherwise why would I bother making them?